centuries, travelers have come to Cordoba for one reason – the Mosque Cathedral. We were no different. Our plan was simple – to admire this extraordinary monument, walk across the famous Roman bridge, and wander through the winding streets of the old town. Sometimes that's all you need for a memorable day. The streets leading to the Mosque Cathedral wind through the heart of Cordoba's old Jewish quarter. Small shops, cafes, and local restaurants line the narrow alleys, making it easy to stop for a souvenir or simply follow the tempting smell of local food. But every now and then, the cathedral's bell tower appears between the rooftops, gently reminding you why you came to Cordoba in the first place. From the outside, the Mosque Cathedral gives the impression of a massive fortress, with the walls decorated with intricate Moorish details. But once you step inside the courtyard, the mood changes. Instead of stone and walls, you are welcomed by a peaceful garden with the magnificent Mosque Cathedral standing quietly at its side. Stepping inside, it's easy to understand why the Mosque Cathedral is considered one of Spain's greatest architectural treasures. Endless rows of red and white arches stretch in every direction, creating one of the most unforgettable interiors we've ever seen. Above them, beautifully decorated ceilings reveal the richness of Cordoba's Moorish heritage. Even with many visitors inside, the atmosphere remains surprisingly quiet. The echo of footsteps and whispered conversations fill the vast space, making the whole experience feel calm and almost timeless. Walking beneath these arches feels like stepping back through centuries of history, not only of Cordoba, but of Andalusia itself. From the Mosque Cathedral, it's only a short walk to Cordoba's famous Roman bridge. Crossing it offers beautiful views of the city skyline, with the bell tower rising above the rooftops and the Guadalquivir River flowing quietly below. Despite the steady stream of visitors, the bridge has its own slower rhythm. Street artists, musicians add plenty of character to the walk. One calligrapher sat in the shade, carefully written visitors' name in Arabic, a small reminder of the city's rich cultural heritage. By early evening, the Jewish quarter had settled into a different rhythm. The daylight tour crowds had cleared out, replaced by people lingering over dinner, strolling through the narrow streets, and browsing the small local shops. There was no rush anymore, just a quiet charm of Cordoba at the end of another warm Andalusian day.